Happy Valentine Day, man, in advance. And I want to celebrate this Valentine Day with my family. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time zone where I'm watching these videos from. And on my side, it's evening time. And today it's on Saturday, date 14 February 2026. As usual, this year it's the year of success, and also today is a holiday where we have two partner in quotes. That's a husband and a wife, or maybe a boyfriend and a girlfriend. So this is a special day where maybe you take your partner, or maybe you take your lover, or maybe you take your wife outside, you enjoy, and sometime maybe outside of the country, like in America, people do gifted rose. And also today I'm around at home, and I finish working, and I decide, let me celebrate with you. Happy Valentine Day in advance from my side. And at this particular time, I have my brother here. We want to celebrate Happy Valentine Day. Maybe one day we should have family. That one we can't skip. Being a father, being maybe a husband to someone else. It's not like you can maybe skip on that. But I probably maybe I wanna show love of Valentine Day to my family, including my mom and also my brother. But the rest of my brother who studied in secondary school, he was not around here. Who is around here is the one who studied in university. So after we finish exam, they were being given 1 full week to be rest. And for him, he decided that 1 week to be rest in school, he should come and run the project here and there. So before I go out, man, that's how my house looks like. It's very simple. No mainly like not too much decoration right here. Also, you can see the lights. Because today's a Valentine Day, I wanna put good lights for Valentine Day. You wait. Yeah, that one. For the reasons, it's red. I think it's red in color. And also other cooking stuff for for my mom. We normally put inside of this room here. It's very tidy. So guys, as you watch these videos, please remember to subscribe to my channel, Road to Success, and always at the same time, this is your boy from Miami, Florida. I love to come to Miami, maybe one day, but my first country is to visit Jamaica. And 100% most of Jamaica do support my channel, watch, and also comments in a good way. That's the part of, I'm Africa. Also, that's my African family. Why not? If you didn't subscribe on these videos, please, on these videos of Valentine Day, you should subscribe. At least, you subscribe in a good way, And I think I remained around 800 subscriber to hit 9K. I can't wait. So yeah, I do visit like my yesterday's videos on the comment section. People said, "Oh, hello baby, you should speak in English. Don't speak your Latin language, or maybe your vernacular language." Sometimes I do make mistake, and like, hey, do here and there. Push here. I'm a Korean. I do speak Korean. I speak Swahili and a little bit English, and also I'm trying to learn Patois in Jamaica. When I came there, there's no struggle, and also a little bit Spanish. Como esta, hola, tu vas bien, things like that. But anyway, don't mind. Also, let me check my mama how she was doing on other side. So that's how my house looks like. I feel like to put music for Valentine's Day, but it would give me copyright. Honest, guys, being honest, it would give me copyright. That one I don't mind. And also on this side here, before I left, today no sunny, man. You know, we left with one bar to be full. So this is my wife right here. You know, very strong. But again, if I should have enough money, I should, you know, adjust, you know, some, I think some units, you know, like having more powerful Wi-Fi. On my side, it's strong, but during the day, most people do use the Wi-Fi. Also, maybe during at night, that's when maybe I normally use my Wi-Fi. So guys, these videos that I'm creating here, I'll take you around, and after maybe surprise my family some rose at Valentine's Day. At this point, I should go outside there and see how people celebrate Valentine's Day, you know. But I wish one day, if I could have my own private car, I could take my mom, my sister, and also my brother. We go outside. You know, sometimes Valentine's Day it's reach when both of my brother, they are in school. You know, a day like this, it was on Saturday, and my brother also is supposed to leave here by Tuesday or Monday next week there. So maybe one day when they will finish up the school, having their own job, we should go as one family during Valentine's Day. We sit. I normally lock my house. You see even the key for my motorbike. Happy Valentine's Day. Let me see what my mama have prepared. Osokiri. Oh my God. Liquid. Look at that. That's my trouser right here. That's my sister's trouser, school uniform. Oh, okay then. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am fine.
Wow, at least Mama, she already know how to respond. Today's a Valentine's Day. Say Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
Anyway, guys, at this point, I wish my dad could be alive and celebrate with my mom Valentine's Day. You know, being a widow sometimes it's very tricky. You didn't have someone to give to Valentine gifts. Nasema? Sasa ni venye ingekuwa baba yuko. Ya mngeenjoy Valentine Day. Sasa hiyo ni mjane. Hakuna mtu. Things are shagala bagala. I'm telling my mama, I wish my dad could be alive and celebrate Valentine Day with my mom. You know these things okay. So you know these things we normally learn slowly. Maybe Bruno, let me say happy Valentine's Day to you. Happy Valentine's Day. And I have my crazy dog here. When I'm shooting the videos, they know. When I didn't shoot the videos, it's very calm. Happy Valentine to the world. And my dog's growing very quick. And it's very clean. You missed some meat. Yeah? Okay, guys. Let's see what my mama have prepared for us, and then I will take you around. Also, remember I have the project. When I say the project, I mean this. And I think I'll take you on top. No, bro, no. Stop it. So, guys, maybe, let me see what my mama have been prepared. Oh my God. Put light on. Oh. Valentine's Day. My mama, she was cooking chapati. Man, never knew, man. Oh. Hey. And this is where mama sleep. So sometimes it was raining when my mama she was not around. She normally put this plastic stuff here because the house is leaking. It's for a meanwhile, man. You know, it's for a meanwhile. You know, maybe guys, I said it's for meanwhile. You know, maybe one day my mama she could sleep in a good place or in a good environment. Forget about this. But it's, you know, the part of life. Mama she was, you know, cooking here, sleeping here, you know. That's the reason why she was cooking very early. And then the house can get, you know, not too much smoke, so she can sleep in a good way. Hey. Kuna chai? Okay, mama, you can bring. I'm too hungry. And it's evening time, but I love it, man. This chapati for our Valentine's Day. Oh, man, be careful. That's my African mom for you. Mama,
Yeah.
are you happy?
Hey.
Are you happy now? Even, you know, mom, she have no any idea, like, today's a Valentine's Day. But this video is a memory, One day I could, you know, click for it on us TV and, you know, I get surprised, like, one day. I surprised mama with a Valentine rose. Okay, mom. Rose is coming. The rose.
Rose. He's coming.
Okay, guys. I'm taking you outside, and of which this is the house for my mama. You know, my mama initially she was having a lot of things, scotches, you know, mattress, cooking utensils, you know. But I don't mind about that one. So as long as I'm alive, you know, I'll do other things. Oh my god, I'm trying to put some light off. So this is the house which when it's raining time, it's normally leaking, full of water inside here. And there is a day, you know, when it's raining, I think I was working here. It's here, I don't know. I was shooting the videos and the rain come immediately, so I get shelter on this Mabati house right here that you see. It's long way, but the crazy thing is the house, it's leaking, and it's my evidence on my videos. So I want to take you where we are doing the work today. Since yesterday, today we finish up, and right now I'm free, so I can do what I want to do. And kindly guys, if you're watching these videos during Valentine's Day, please, if you want to support me with anything about, I think right now 50% we are done from the foundation. We raised up the house, and also oh my god, we're remaining with some 3 courses on top, so it goes to 1 Rory. And to be honest, right now at this point I have only 200 machine cuts on the ground that have been left during construction. So I think if I could get that 500, I can finish up the setting, and also I mind other process. Let's be, maybe as a family we put the target of like, hey, on May, like, hello baby, I want to see you finish your mama house and then do other things. So let me show you guys, for example, right here, let me go to the calculator, you know. So okay, man, this is my phone right here. The time is running like crazy. It's around 17:54. That's 5:54, you know. Forget about American military watch. So we go to the calculator. You see guys, it's very simple, but sometimes living in interior part of the village, something like buying machine cut, it's very difficult for me, you know. So I'm remaining with 500 blocks. If maybe you wish you wanna buy Like I want to get 700, no problem. But for the real sense, I have 200, so I'm lacking 500. So times, that's 500 blocks times 75 shillings. You see? So one machine cut, it goes to 75 shillings. And also, I can use bricks, but bricks, it can take a lot of cement. You know, when I have that 500, let me say 500 machine cut, because I already have 200 on the ground, I will use around 10 bag of cement, you know, with machine cut. But the blocks, no, the bricks, I will use around 30 bags. Trust me. 30 to 25 there, trust me. So we see where the cost of something's, you know, too low compare when the cost is too high. So guys, this is the amount that you get there. It's 500. That's machine cut times, oh no, it's times 75. Crazy. So it's times 75. So you get 37,500. That is it. I think closely to $320 there, or 350, you know. So I can get that machine cut, you know. Each goes to 75. So that's 500. It's machine cut, the number of machine cut. Oh my god, let me put it. That's 500 is the number of machine cut or blocks times 75. You get the totals at 7,500 Kenyan shillings to finish the setting. Even me, man, I'm trying my best. Man. I'm trying. You know, my family need to eat. They need to go to school, you know, here and there. And sometimes things I do off camera, sometimes I don't want to, you know, like about the issues of my family, everything to put on social media. No. Sometimes things go private, you know. And for the reasons, even I speak on my camera, I do support my family 100%. So this is what we left with around here. You see, this 200 machine cut that we left with it right here. So like initially I was, you know, buying one truck. It carry around 710 machine cut. So far so good, because we left with another one. Or maybe even you have some front porch and back porch, it should be, you know, needed one lorry, because let's say this one, it will help me to build the front porch and back porch, you know, those corridor. So let's do this. It's around 700 times 75. We get 52,500. That's the money, you know. If maybe we wanna say this one, it goes to the front porch and back porch, and then one rolly, because on top there's no partition. Anyway, I don't want to talk that one too much, but I'm just celebrate my Valentine Day here with my family. So welcome to the to the front porch. I mean, you see, yesterday we did some part right here. Today we do some we mix the concrete. You can follow my videos, my latest video before this. I was, you know, like even mixing the concrete, fetching water, and we have only one mason here and one handman, but we did very fantastic job, you know. Now nothing to worry about it. So I think I should take you on top. Oh my god, no Bruno, stop it. I think I should take you on top, and then I bring rose to some flowers to my mom and my brother. I wish, man. Let me show you the work that we did perfectly. Oh my god, I should be very careful. Look where I'm standing. I don't know why. I don't know the reason why I love to climb on top here. Maybe my dream house one day, it could be one tall building like for my other family. when I'm speaking my other family, I mean congrats dad's home. Like that one. I love, man, to be here. So this is what we did today. But the rain came under effect, you know, but it's not a big deal, you know. So by tomorrow is to do what we call curing. You know, I'm showing at the end of the product after we work. This is the result that we get it here. Mazelo! Hola, hola. That's my cousin right there. You see, guys? Me? I'm proud of myself. Trust me, I'm proud of myself. And I told you earlier, I'm the guy who trusts my process day by day. So guys, I want to do quick and fast because even I'm rushing to border town, you know. I'm rushing to border town. I want to see how people celebrate. You know, my dog is very aggressive. They see my cousin right there. I can go in the corner. Say hello.
Julia.
Chunga. Uchunga siku wangu kutapana na viazi. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm good.
Happy Valentine's Day. Do you know that today is a Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
No, Bruno.
Keep quiet.
Do you know that today is a Valentine's Day?
I know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is a day when we have two partners. The lover one. Eh? You can walk. Hey, be careful.
I'm very careful.
So you know, like me, I'm trying to supervise the work for today. I'm walking here, man. Don't mind. Look, that's my feet, my legs. I mean, and I'm walking here. You can come.
Let me using this side.
Huh? you don't scared to walk there?
No.
You know, guys, first time even me I was scared.
We have been balanced.
Yes.
Like this.
It means we have zero pressure. You know, if you have a internal pressure, you can fall. You can, you know, go down. Yeah, guys, I'm heading this way. I wanna see that work and then boom. So I want to go in border town after this work to check how things go. I wanna see how people celebrate in border town before it gets late. Eh?
Hey, I can join you.
You can join me to go in border town?
Yes.
So guys, I have some idea. Instead to waste this place, I can put a small water tank right here because we have the sitting board inside here. So we put the water tank here and then it's a small water tank. Even that water, it can go one of the room here. Or maybe this one. Or maybe a place where you can wash your hand and then we enter to the dining.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice work.
So guys, I'm heading there. Okay, thank you, my cousin. I'm heading there
You work hard.
because right now it's 18:03. That's 6:03 p.m. I'm heading there. I wanna check how things go. Maybe there's any crack of the window where we work today, and then we see how we solve issues. Look, very fantastic job. Oh my God. Even down here, the left of the concrete, we put it, and we're running with around 10% of putting the concrete slab down of this room because it's only here. You see? So this is where we work. When I was working, mixing the concrete, the concrete that are left at the end of the work, I put it here. So in meaning with only that small stuff or small gap we finish up and we say goodbye. Pinto verora. So guys, I want to walk this way. Mom Sylvia always said, "My son, be careful." Yes, I will be careful. You see, even my boys are enjoying the Wi-Fi right there. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to your son, Hello Baby Official, or to your brother, Hello Baby Official. I do represent Jamaica and Africa here to the world, man. Wah! China wanawa. So guys, you see, you know, these are pure cement, because I'm not doing charity anywhere, so I'm supposed to build something good for my mom, you know. But if I can, like, even charity, guys, if I could maybe having charity somewhere else. I can't, you know, like faking projects. No. I could do something powerful. But there's one word said, charity starts from home or begin from home. I don't know if you know that word. Charity starts from home. So this is charity that I'm doing for my mom. Kuyore. Nigansi keren babora ya naenda border. I'm going to border town. So this is a fantastic job right here. Oh, you get another space. Yes. Mom, tanganya niche. So mama, she want to take the car, the home. You see the boys right there, and we have also other people at the back of the house, really enjoying. They're still praying for me, like, hey, let's win. Yeah, guys, I'm struggling to go down. This is a ladder, because we have two ladders on the other side and this side here. Happy Valentine's Day, man, in advance. And I want to celebrate this Valentine's Day with my family, and including my mom and my brother. Nyabona amekuja. My sister, she went for the church service. Whew. Happy Valentine. If you know the song Happy Valentine's Day, you can sing for me, guys. Even you can text on the comment section, Happy Valentine's Day. Look. And I want to do quick and fast, because I'm going in border town. I want to see how people celebrate Happy Valentine. I hope I'll film them on my videos. Yo, look at that. Look at that. Mikwabi. Look at that. Mama, this is what we call Happy Valentine's Day. Hey. Enjoy nini? Happy
Valentine.
Happy Valentine's Day. Maybe if my dad could be alive, they could surprise you, taking you out for vacation. Nasema baba angekuwa ako uhai, ange surprise maua peleke nje mzunguke. I'm telling my mama, I wish my dad could be alive, and taking my mom outside, surprise her with this rose. Happy Valentine.
Thing.
Happy
Valentine.
Mama, happy
Valentine.
See Valentine, happy Valentine.
Happy
Hey, my dog is very Look at that, guys. So guys, I will go. Okay, mama. Have this. You touch it and then and then also I'll give my brother to touch it. You know, this video is a memory. Oh my god, it's getting dark, man. Huh? It's getting dark. Dark. Woo! Even I will launch it to my bike here. Happy Valentine, my bike. In advance. Woo! Look at that. Happy Valentine, my bike. Also we go. Also I'll give my buds happy Valentine. Toro shock hands, ma'am. Yeah. 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 Fresh. You have a happy Valentine Day. That's what I yeah. Even my neighbor. Okay, ma'am. Be here. My hand. Eh? Don't sing this here. Happy
Valentine.
Happy.
Valentine.
Mama stand here maybe because of the sun. Because the sun is go down that way. Happy?
Valentine.
I'm happy.
Valentine.
Okay. Even I see my cousin here. Happy Valentine Day! Hey, look at that. Happy?
He look good.
Yeah, so cute. Happy Valentine Day.
Very nice.
That's my cousin,
Very
man.
Nice day. Fantastic day.
Even I want to give my buds Happy Valentine Day. Whoa, look at that, man. Woohoo! Woo! Happy Valentine. Buds, my buds. Guys, we have some buds here. Happy, here we have Happy Valentine Day. My buds right here. Happy Valentine Day. Also, guys, okay. My brother, I see them. He was taking bath inside. There is even some clothes, but I'm still waiting him before I left home. Happy Valentine Day. Oh, okay, man. I wish I could do these things early in the morning, but it comes, you know, an incident where I'm going to work at my mom's place as a handman, and I forget, you know, like today I should, you know, like. Also, guys, I want to wish you happy Valentine Day in advance wherever you're watching these videos. All my viewers, all my subscribers, it doesn't matter if you left my channel or you stick on my channel. All my subscriber, happy Valentine to you. Happy Valentine to you. Happy Valentine to you. Happy Valentine to you. And also maybe one day we should celebrate maybe in the restaurant with my family. Happy Valentine Day. Happy Valentine Day. That is it. Bro, yeah? Tango kaende boda. Mimi naenda bado kupiga video. But why? I see my brother, I'm still waiting him, and it's getting too dark. But I must go in border town. I want to see how people celebrate Happy Valentine Day. You know, other people in the local or in the interior part of the village, they didn't know about so today's a Valentine Day. Even I asked, there's a lady from other side. She was my neighbor. I asked her, Happy Valentine Day. He said, oh, today's a Valentine Day. I never knew. Today's on Saturday. Man, come on. On a serious note. This is your strongest boy, Hello Baby official. I'm grinding so hard to achieve my goal. Damn, come on, bro. Me, I'm going. If you're not ready, because you are taking too long. Happy Valentine's Day. Mko wapi bro? Okay, I'm coming there. Mura, takote video ni gani mimi? My brother, say hello.
Kwanza ni sir.
You
Hello.
good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I see you are from the garden of Shamba.
Yeah.
Happy Valentine's Day. Touch it. This is a family rose.
Yeah.
Happy?
Happy Valentines.
Do you remember today's a Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
Do you remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, this is my brother here. Yeah. I'm the firstborn. He was the secondborn. And maybe from Monday to Tuesday you're supposed to be in school.
Yeah.
Your free week have been already gone. Yeah. Okay. So guys, I'm heading to border town. As I told you, this video could be more crazy. You see people celebrate at night. I don't know, you know, because right now it's getting too late. Honest, guys. Vipi hali? Huh?
I want to go together.
Together? Okay, you know how to drive me slowly.
I know.
We can go, man.
Today I'm your driver.
Hey! Hey! Siwezi sahau. Let me store this. Wagwan man! This is your boy, hello baby. I'm smelling this rose to the world, man. Please, kindly on this video, show me some love, man. You know, I'm trying to grind so hard in a distance where, like, man, I'm building my own, man, like my own life outside here. Sometimes it could be tricky situation, and I do face challenge here and there, day by day, you know, like this young man that you see here. I'm the one who made her life to be changed, and also it's through you guys, not my power, it's by God's power, and also through you. You know, you chip in, you support my brother, you know. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, guys. Afu mahu yoguri birato ni birato ben. Yeah. Wanda ben now. Ito pa no mo before. Let's go, guys. That's my brother. We left home. We said goodbye home. Goodbye. That's my mom. So guys, we left home. We're heading to border town. Wanna check how people celebrate Valentine's Day. Man, come on. These videos could be more interesting, at the same time more crazy. I bought these trees, guys. Whoa. Life in the motorbike. This is my childhood place, or my childhood village. My brother, happy Valentine, man. Have a crazy cow here. Woo! Wow! Yeah. People wearing red shirt. Hey, my brother, happy Valentine! Hii kona naenda pole pole. Watoto muvae sweta jamani. Piga kwa hodi kabisa. Yeah, man. Let's see how things go. And I love to be, you know, see people how celebrate. In a local way, in a digital way, I don't know. Yeah, we have a sharp corner right here. Yeah, man. this corner is something else within here. See, then my motorbike is not enough to carry maybe the whole family right here. Tell them! Whoa! I see boys hanging with girls outside. I do understand it's a Valentine's Day, and for us we do hanging on the bike. Don't you see? Oh, wallahi. Nimeangusha simu, acha kwanza. Just twice, and guys, I lost my phone. Nisubiri hapa nirudi. Wait me here. Nisubiri hapa nikuje. Ama fanya kwenda. I want to take my phone. Vipi bwana? You have your lover sasa here. Ngora. Dibibingu che. Utumie side mirror. Okay guys, let's go. Wagwan man, I'm wearing Deep East Safari. That was a church. It's getting too late, yo. Damn, come on. Say something.
Yeah,
Look alike.
You are heading to Sirari.
Yeah, man.
You can take evening lap.
Yeah, evening lap.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. But it's, you know, it's a tricky situation. It's getting too dark, but sometimes you can see the environment, nature. And the good thing about when the sun goes down, you can view from this side or maybe on the other side of the tarmac. Kama umeshinda niendeshe pikipiki. Umeshindwa. Acha nikae. See that? That's my bike. Okay. Kwa unaendeshaje pikipiki kama hiyo? Kama unaongea baba. Nimeshinda sana. Yeah. Bigger horn is to both. Pee to alert people.
Like this one.
Yeah, man. Let's go. Life in Africa. All right. And I'm really, like I can get 2 partners on the way. Oh my God. See that? Oh yeah. Ambia mrembo Valentine. So guys, we made the tarmac, which connect East Africa, the border of Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. This tarmac that you see here. So when I'm saying East Africa, I mean this tarmac all the way. Look, you see some signs. The truck is coming. When you reach in the border town, you'll see some signs and some behaviors of this day. Look at that. So within here, this is where we call Sibania Center. There's a Roman Catholic church right here, and also we have a boys' school right here. So since my childhood, I normally come in this band. Getting dark, but we manage. We wait.
Happy Valentine.
But guys, I wanna say sorry for taking you in Border Town at this moment. It's too late, but you bear with us the situation.
The view.
Yeah,
The town in the view.
yeah, man. Hey. That's V-Power Shell right here. I normally fuel my bike, I think, right here. Okay, let's go. Guys, I don't understand. Other people are working, other moving up and down. Twin. Yani wa makini. See even this lady here. Let's go. We're chunga here. This is Border Town for you. You see some signs? One thing you find people wearing maybe red t-shirts, white shirts. I don't know. This is a police station right here. Go. Yaani wewe makini, wewe tena mambo na kufuatilia. So guys, finally we are in Border Town. That's two bank, Cooperative and Equity. Western Union dealing there, man. We deal with Western Union. I love them, man. The vibe in Border Town, something else. See guys. Oh. Utasimama hapo. Tuende hivi. Sister, happy Valentine, mom. Okay. Tuende ingia huku, ingia na huku. Keep left. Hivyo. Tuende hivi. Nice. I want to show you the most one of the restaurants. I think it's a club. Hapa. I want to show you guys how things go. See guys, here there's some bros right here, and also you can see, man. Woo! This is my guy here, Jacob Mdi. Valentine.
Happy Valentine.
Happy?
We appreciate.
We appreciate. We thank God, man, for that.
Yeah, for all.
In Jamaica, they normally say we thank Jah for that. We thank Jah for that.
Thank
for life. Wenye pesa wako humu. If you have money you can go inside there.
Najua kama sasa hivi nye leo tarehe 14 mwezi wa pili. Inabidi tumshukuru Mungu sababu tumeona hata kama una mpenzi ama una mpenzi. Hii ni sikio wapenda. Unaweza kuvaa shati nyekundu. Msete nimevaa shati nyekundu kwa sababu ya nini?
You have a partner or not?
Hata kama una lazima uvae tu. Uvae shati uonyeshe kuwa
kurepresent.
Kurepresent hata wewe uko na watu ambao unawapenda, si ndio?
You see when some beautiful ladies are here.
Wanaenda kulea kutumia hela yao.
Kumera.
Wametafuta hela.
Yeah, Valentine. Yeah? Haijazima.
Wametafuta hela. Kuanzia Januari mpaka leo wanaenda kuzitumia leo.
Jacob said people from January they normally saving money for a special day like this, date 14. Valentine.
They have already saved for a while, and today they are going to finish.
Wewe unakula jaba.
Wanaenda kumaliza pesa zote walizotafuta. Kenge wewe. Hani leo wanasema bongo. I just say we come from Tanzania. Tanzania is our neighborhood. We come from there. So Tanzania tunasema we have terms that we say
Kenge.
Kutumia pesa inakuzoea. Umeona?
Yeah.
They are masafakanize to spend their money.
Yeah. Look at that, man. If you have money, you go there.
You go there.
Me, I'm trying to make my life.
But kama hujajenga mimi sikushauri. Wewe ufikirie. Hiyo giribis wanauza 3,000 na mabati ni shilingi 800. Sasa wewe uache heshima baa. Alafu uende umepangisha. Huo ni ujinga brother. Jitahidi.
Guys,
nunua hata kashamba kadogo.
Jacob said here on that club they are selling 3,000 some beers there. Some girbis. And one iron sheet goes to 1,000. That's 3 iron sheets.
So you have to think twice. Yeah.
Okay, man.
If you have not go to school, you cannot understand that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, lazima uelewe kabisa.
Yeah, mananko. Kusumbua. Yani hapa tuko live sisi. Huyu. Hi uncle. Yani hapa tuko live sisi.
We have madongo.
Tuko live. Tuko live.
Tuko hapa ila watu wanatusumbua kusema ukweli kwa hii serikali ya Ruto tuna njaa na hakuna kazi. Haya leo ni Valentine Day.
Mbona hujavaa shati?
Hatuna wanawake ndio maana tuko hivi kiaina. Au sio?
Uko single.
Niko single man. Alafu hao mademu wanataka viera na ngoana kazi. Sasa utapataje mrembo? Lazima uvumilie tu uwe Mkenya tu halisi.
Unachoma anko. Nachoma
kwani nachoma kipanda.
Anko. Giribis ni shilingi 3,000 na mabati ni 1,000.
I found my people here guys,
Umepangisha. Kenge wewe.
Sasa
they have to talk twice.
No. Don't think it like that, but think it twice before we talk something.
Okay, uncle.
Or we talk something.
Ingepasa yangu uko pale juu.
Hapo siendi.
Okay guys, anyway, apart from that job, this business for Jacob Muita, and oh man, so we normally taking food here 24 hours from now.
Yeah, I'm selling here 24 hours chips mayai. I normally deal with chips mayai.
Chips mayai.
Yeah,
From
chips
now
mayai.
up to morning, man.
From now until morning.
Boda is furu kamo.
And
This is full.
this is my best friend.
Also down here we have the supermarket, man. I wish I could have something small to buy, even a juice, and spoil myself.
But today I think you have no nothing.
No, nothing.
Because you
man.
have already spent to others, to ladies.
No, me I didn't spend, man. Imagine this video will be out. I start from home with my family, and also I do came here to check how things go. And now I want to say hello to you, to your business.
We say hello, but there is my friend from, I think, Nyaboanse, called Mayugno. I greet him.
Mayugno?
Hey, Mayugno. I am my follower. I
follow to Mayugno.
No, I am followers.
Okay, followers.
Hey,
Okay.
Mayugno. We know you better with your German machine.
German
So my
machine.
friend, when you come here, try even to visit me. Even I don't have nothing, but we thank to God. I think one day, one time, God will remember me.
Okay.
Hey.
On this small business, imagine guys, he was struggling at night while other people sleeping, selling some eggs here. We have fish, chapati, mandazi. When I'm speaking mandazi, I mean African snack, all right?
African
And also some French fry. Do you know French fry?
and the Spanish omelette.
Spanish?
Even Spanish omelette.
That's chips gani.
That's we mix. We take 2 eggs and some chapati.
Oh.
So we can make chapati into small pieces.
Yeah.
And
man.
then we mix with tomato, some chilies.
Yes.
So it can be amazing one.
Look how rich people park their cars, man. And I'm parking my bike. This crazy. One day, man.
Yeah, they are going to spend their money.
yeah.
My brothers
If you don't have money, you don't have to be within here.
Yeah, man. If you have no money,
have
you
to
can't
be
park
in
your car here.
bushes.
In
If
bushes.
you don't have money, you don't have to park here. You have to be banned.
Jamani,
Hata kuna
Valentine.
mtu alisema kuna kwanza yule demo mwenye aliongeka umsaacha kama utane senti. Yule demo ni fara sana.
Valentine jamani.
Yule demo alisema ati wanaume hatuna hereti bora ufwe. Yule demo
Bora ufe.
Akiingia hii town sisi tunamuua.
Bora ufe, si
Huo
ndio?
ni ujinga huu.
Wagwan man.
Anatuzaralisha sisi wakuria wanaume.
Oh.
Kwa sababu gani aseme umsache kama utane senti kamba kubwa? Hata kama utane nyashi. Ufe na wewe.
Guys, and the rain is coming like crazy. Okay, mdi. Ushamaliza photo jamu menda. Vipi? Mama yanasonga. Okay, uniangalie bike huko. Hey. So guys, this is Jacob business here. We think twice, man.
Sasa hii ndio African jiko.
African jiko. It's getting dark.
We use some, this is what?
Sawdust.
And
Instead of using too much expensive, like expenses of buying charcoal.
we use
We use
this.
this.
So it can help me to save some little money.
Oh,
Yeah. If you compare this products with the
charcoal. These
is
are
very
cheaper.
expensive. But these are cheaper. This is dust. Yeah?
Sawdust.
Not dust. No, dusty. That's matakataka. What's the name of takataka in English?
Rubbish.
Rubbish. This is rubbish. I'm going to correct there from.
This is
Timberland.
sawdust, man.
It's sawdust, but when I'm going
Sawdust.
there, sawdust. I know it's sawdust. But when I'm going there to collect, I'm collecting like dust.
Takataka.
Hey, sasa endi kusilipi hera.
Hey, ni free.
Hey, ni free.
And
This
you
is
make
free.
money
And
instead
I
of
make
buying
money
charcoal.
through this.
Oh man.
Through this can make a while even 2K per day.
Oh,
Hey.
2,000?
2,000
Man, you're
when
so
I'm
rich,
selling
man.
that
Here.
Hey.
You're so rich,
Because
man.
You think that when I'm going to sell even one chips mayai. One chips mayai here I'm selling 150 compared to Tanzania. Because Tanzania they are selling chips mayai in 90 shillings.
Okay, let me tell
That's
you.
2,000.
2,000.
TZ money.
In Tanzanian money.
When to convert to Kenya, like now change
is low.
It's low.
On our neighborhood.
Yeah,
just over here, guys.
In Kenya here, we used like it
90
like 90 bob. So me here, I'm going to sell chips. My that same chips mayai, they are selling in Tanzania 90 shilling. Here I'm selling like 150.
Bro, you're so rich, man. You make good money. If you have 1,000 customers, you sleep with good money. Trust.
But kuna wengine.
Uko sawa wewe?
Anaharibu na nili.
Anaharibu moods.
Anatokea na nili na proud. Sasa hapa, hii product ninakuja, unajua nilimaliza kidato. Niliamua bwana nikasema ngoja tu nifanye hii kazi.
So Jacob, so let me go this way. You check my bike. Kaniga nkuringane. Hiyo umechoka. Sijachoka.
Mpe basi wewe nishikie mimi nikiongea. Wewe ukirudi uchukue.
Hata niongeze tu niwatembeza hapo niwaone light nirudi. Utanione bike. Mtu asigonge. I'm telling Jacob to take care of my bike right here. Man, I'm so crazy. What's up? Unyama mwingi. And I'm telling you, if that doesn't have money, you can't park a car here. Crazy. Woo! Guys, this is border town for you, man. Crazy. What's up at night, man? Welcome. The crazy thing, I see the Virginia with the Mercedes Benz. Woo! Look at that. Man, let's go. Nyama huo. Mimi nipo town, man. Sawa, atakaje waende usiku. Guys, this is border town for you. It's getting dark. Guys, welcome in border town, and we are ending these videos in good way. Other people are going to Nairobi. Damn, look at that. Whoa. Right. It's getting dark, man.
Kero.
Sign off camera.
When is
Super. Do you remember me, ma'am? Bye. Niko hapa kwa Jacob. Hi. All right. Let's go, man. I'm telling you, if you have money, you wanna enjoy right here. Oh. Woo. I came with my brother, but they really packed me here. I didn't see them anymore. Unasema nini? Nimesikia. Nimekutana wiki hapa na Msupa. Unajua wiki na Msupa.
Yaani ukataka kusoma uje kule
sasa wewe umesoma au unauza laini hapa?
Sasa laini kwa wapi hapa? Hapa mimi urekodi umdada dada. Angalia. Nitana nikurekodi.
Ona njoo useme happy Valentine dada.
Kuna happy Valentine.
Utamumerekera nkoro.
Kuna ngoperekera kubaroki nkunda. Kuna.
Na hivyo ndo unaonekana mjinga tu hadi Marekani.
Hey man, it's too late. Look at that. Oh God. God. It's too late.
I'm
ending my video. It's too late. It's too late, man.
Wewe ndo vipi? Mambo shwari. Vipi? Umevaa Valentine? Sasa umeshiba mwanangu.
Umeshika Valentine.
Okay. Njoo salimia watu sasa. Sister. Tutachekiana pale hivi baadaye. Chekiana baadaye pale. Man, it's getting dark. This is crazy. I'm ending my videos, guys. Bye bye. You dope shit. Woo.
Rekodi mwana.
Mambo no Michael Jackson.